Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to save a drawing named as the custom property of the model it contains. In this model, for example, we have the custom property number equal to 007 and we want the name of the drawing will be 007 as well. With Toolcad to achieve that is as simple as pressing the saving button after creating a new drawing. Let's see how to set up it. First of all, open the Settings menu. By selecting the option Automatic Saving of Parts Drawings, the window to configure the drawing's name is opened. Example of name gives you an idea of how the name will be like. The prefix field allows you to add a fixed value that will be positioned at the beginning of the name. The suffix field allows you to add a fixed value that will be positioned at the end of the name. The source field allows you to add custom properties or PDM serial numbers as the source for the file name. In this example, we're going to add the custom property number. By checking as referenced model, the drawing will be named as the model that it contains. Copy properties from referenced model allows you to enter a list of custom properties that will be copied from the contained model to the drawing before it will be saved. By checking save in the same location as the model it contains, the drawing will be saved in the same folder where its model is saved. Otherwise it will be saved in the folder entered in the path field. Create subfolder allows you to create a subfolder in the folder where the drawing will be saved. Subfolder as custom property allows you to create a subfolder in the folder where the drawing will be saved named as the value of the entered custom property. Do not allow duplicate file names, addresses if the drawing you're about to save already exists in the main folder. Finally, click on Save and restart the application to apply the changes. Toolcad, software to automate the mechanical design process.